So at least we have 4 tires now.
Oh, this is a 5.
Is it? No, it's not.
Oh.
Use that then. Or you can use this. Can you use that color?
Any other?
No. Wait. No, those are all 8.
Remember the math club who likes to hold up bodegas? That was Kevin. He thought they were going in for ding dongs. The good kid, Jack. If you're looking at that, Kevin goes with it. You don't like to lose, do you? When's Claire coming back?
I need a flat 2x2.
What color?
Yeah.
2x2. Okay. Those should be easy to find. We should have a bunch of those. Here, oh no, that's a 3. Here's a black one. And a black one. Yeah. Oh look. Here you go. You want that? I have one more piece now and I can put all the tires on here. Yeah.
Wow, this is gonna be hard.
What?
Like those little
Red?
Yeah.
Okay. No, well, red's a pretty easy color to sift through, so. How many do you need? 2? 2. And if we find a different color, you want that? Here's a gray one. That way's gone cuckoo on the shoes. No, one more piece of the garbage truck and I can switch the page. To hook the tire on. You gave me 1, I need 1 more looking at least. Look, Indiana's way.